Yeah, see guys, after mixing of all the vegetables, soya sauce, pepper, it's look like this. You can also try and share your experience on Hello everyone, welcome to Fit Kitchen. In today's video, I come up with a very simple recipe called Veg Noodles. It's very easy to make, very fast, and you can add lot of vegetables to it, and you can do it in hardly 5 to 10 minutes, guys. Before start the cooking, guys, please subscribe my channel, The Fit Kitchen, so that you can follow up for more videos, guys. And let's start the cooking, guys, and have a nice day to all of my friends. Noodles, we need any simple vegetables. I have taken bell pepper, green bell pepper, carrot, onion, and you can add beans also, and you can add the other two different bell peppers like red or yellow, and that's it. You can add the green peas also. This is the vegetables. You need to cut it off first. Second step. Then the noodles already I boiled. Guys, for this noodles you can get it from any shop. There's ready to add noodles. Now after the boil you need to add little bit of oil and mix it, so that will be not sticky later when you put these noodles in a pan. So this is one step is over. Now let's start the cooking, guys. Let the pan heat up. Let it heat up. Once it is, I will tell you what and all you need to add. Okay guys, the pan is heat up. Now add the onion. And all the rest of the vegetables. Okay. Now add the all vegetables. Let it smoothen up. These vegetables all should boil nicely. Let it wait for 2 to 1 minute. Okay. Now add little bit of salt based on your taste. Now add little bit of ginger garlic paste. This is very simple, guys. You can add any amount of vegetables, whichever your favorite. You can add beans, green peas, onion, tomato. This is my way of, it's very healthy for who want simple veg noodles. Now let it cook for few minutes in a pan. Let's wait for 2 minutes. Okay guys, now let's add the noodles. This is very simple, guys. Even you can also try. Mix it firstly. Okay guys, now mix the noodles nicely. Then I will tell you what you have to put last. Yeah guys, now you have to add little bit of 1 spoon of soya sauce. Mix it. And then add little bit of pepper. Mix it. This is a very simple recipe, guys, so you can try. See guys, it's really delicious and very simple. Healthy noodles, veg noodles. You can try it at home without getting from outside, or you don't need to order it from outside. You can prepare in your home only. Yeah, see guys, after mixing of all the vegetables, soya sauce, pepper, guys, our veg noodle is ready. Time to serve. See, like this it will look. It's so delicious. Please try at your home and let me know your experience once you recreate these noodles, guys. That is it for this video. I see you in next video, guys. Take care. Have a nice day.